Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video, I will show you how you can create an Instagram professional account. So make sure to watch this video till the end. But before we get started, if you are new to this channel, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. First things first, we have to simply start by making sure we have updated the Instagram app to the latest version. You can head over to your app store, in the search box type in Instagram and go ahead and simply either download or update Instagram to the latest version. Once you've done that, I'm going to go over and simply open Instagram. Now, you can see that this Instagram page, for example, if I go to my profile section from the bottom right hand side of the screen, this is currently a professional and a business account. How you can know that is because at the very top, you have this option which says professional dashboard, and you can see all of these add tools, edit profile, insights, shop, and so on, which basically means that this is currently an Instagram professional account. And I will show you how you can switch your own personal account to a professional account. In order to do that, first of all, let me go ahead and switch to one of my personal accounts. So let's say that this is the account which I want to make it to a professional account. I will simply tap on it and switch to this account right over here. Once you switch to this account, you have to make sure you are on your profile editing page. And what you have to do is at the very top right hand side, you can see the three horizontal lines. So tap on this three horizontal lines icon. As soon as you do that, at the bottom of the screen again you'll find a bunch of different options. This time again you have to go ahead and simply select settings. Once you select settings, you'll be able to see a bunch of different options. Over here in this menu, you have to select this option which says account. So go ahead and tap on account. As soon as you do that, you'll be able to see a bunch of different information again. But then we want to scroll down all the way to the bottom of the screen. And right at the bottom, you'll find this option which says switch to professional account. And all you have to do is simply tap on switch to professional account. Once you tap on switch to professional account, you can see it says me to get professional tools. You can go ahead and tap on continue, 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 and then we're going to click on continue once more. And you can see it says me what best describes your professional account or your business or your niche. Let me just leave it to artist, and if you want to display it on profile, you can simply turn this toggle on at the very top. Once you've displayed that on your profile, what you could do is at the bottom, simply go ahead and tap on done. And you can see it says it can take up to 30 seconds to finish creating your professional account. So simply be patient and wait until this process has been completed. Now you can see it says me, are you a creator or a business? So you could go ahead and select it. Whatever you do, both of these are professional accounts, so you don't have to worry about switching or not switching. I'm going to simply tap on next. And you can also share logins using Account Center. I'm going to select not now, and then set up all of these manually. You can see it says me to set up a professional account. You can go ahead and complete your profile, you can get inspired, you can grow your audience, and you can share content to view insights as well. But then I'm going to simply skip all of this. And as you can see, successfully we have created our professional account. You can see some of the add tools and insights button over here. And this is how you can make or create an Instagram professional account. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, simply make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.